how to fix the package invalid error in Fortnite. First, you want to load up Epic Games or wherever you got Fortnite from. Now you will scroll down from your library and you want to find Fortnite. Click on the three dots, then select Manage. And now here we'll just click on Open Install Location, which is going to be in the installation folder. So just want to click on this icon and it's going to load up this folder. Now what we want to do is to exit Fortnite completely and also close Epic Games. So I'm just going to right click and exit Epic Games here. Once you have exited Epic Games, you want to right click on your taskbar, go to Task Manager. Here we will go and click on any app and just type F to see if you have Fortnite enabled. And also you can type E to see if you have any instances of Fortnite enabled. If you have any, you just want to right click and end the task. For me, I don't have any, so we can proceed to the fix itself. You will open up the folder which we just pulled up, and then you will go into Fortnite game. Then you want to go into content, then you want to go into packs, and here you'll just select all of the pack files. Press or hold shift and click on the last one. Oops. Like this, you want to right click and then you will delete them. Once you permanently delete all of these files, you will open up Epic Games again. Here, once Epic Games loads, you just want to reinstall Fortnite. So we're going to go into library, you want to find Fortnite, click on the three dots, click on Manage, and here you will either click on Manage or verify the integrity of the files if you see the option to verify the integrity of the files here. If you don't, you will just click on it and it's gonna begin reinstalling and verifying the integrity of the files. So for example, here if I click on it, Manage, and you will see verify integrity of the files here at the top. So you wanna click on that option for Fortnite. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.